Hello dear kids. Today we are seeing a very beautiful and nice poem, an action song. प्यारे बच्चों, listen and repeat, read aloud and sing. नज्म को सुनिए और दोहराइए, बुलंद आवाज़ से पढ़िए और लय के साथ गाइए। तो चलो प्यारे बच्चों, हम ये पोएम गाना शुरू करते हैं। We'll all join in a circle. We'll all join a circle. We'll all join a circle and sing a song or two. And sing a song or two. We all sit down together. We'll all sit down together. We'll all sit down together. We'll all be quiet together. Now our singing is through. Now our singing is through. We'll all be quiet together. We'll all be quiet together. We'll all join in a circle. We'll all join in a circle. We'll all join in a circle and sing a song or two. And sing a song or two. Clap hands together. Claps hands together. And sing a song or two. And sing a song or two. Join hands together. Join hands together. And sing a song or two. And sing a song or two. And turn around together. And turn around together. Now our singing is through. Now our singing is through. Now our singing is through. Be quiet together. Be quiet together. Now our singing is through. Now our